Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the reality of Gramfree, which is known as the earning app. Many of the persons they are using this Gramfree by looking YouTube videos. I don't know why they are promoting Gramfree, but in reality many of them has proved that it is fake only. I will be showing you the live proof. Don't worry for that. If you are using Gramfree, then please look this video carefully. Otherwise, you will be in great loss and you will be getting discouraged in future and you will be blaming by yourself only. So please look this video carefully. I will be showing you the tricks and the game behind or the strategy behind this online scam. Okay, you can see here the Mastercard option. Sorry, you can see here the withdrawal option. There are many withdrawal option in this website. By looking this withdrawal option, we used to think that this website is real and it is legit. And by looking this only, I also just thought that yeah, there are many type of option for withdrawal and it must be real only. And I just used Mastercard or Visa card, any card I have just tried. Okay, and I have put it my Mastercard. Okay, and my available balance is 6 gram. 6 gram means here they have put it as $21, and they had told that 5% tax they will be cutting off from my balance. Okay, I am ready with that, but it must be real only. Then I will be working on this website. You can see here if I click on withdrawal, value must be greater than or equal to 500 gram. Let's think, 500 gram means how much time we have to give in this website. And if this website was real, then they will not be showing 500 gram. Okay, they can show here 10 gram or 20 gram or anything something else. Okay, then we can just believe on this website that it is legit. If we just on 500 gram, the main aim of this website developer or this company, their aim has already will be fulfilled. That from one person they had got lots of time, that their website has been used by one person more than 5 or 6 months, and they had earned lots of money from us. Okay, and at the time of payment they used to make us for pending only, and your payment will not be receiving more than 2 months also, and you will be just requesting them for withdrawal of your money. That's it, and your story end. You can see here if I click on withdraw, you can see here only 6, they have shown $500. Okay, now another thing I'm going to show you how much time you have to get to make 500 gram. There is only 3 option to on. Okay, you can see here there is lottery option. This is the main thing many of them used to get attracted by seeing this. I have bought one ticket. Okay, I have bought one ticket. Now ticket option is not working because I have already bought one ticket, and this countdown is started from, it is going on from 3 days. It has shown me your result will be published in within 24 hours, and it has become 3 days. Still my countdown is going on. I don't know what is wrong with this website. I don't know what. And you can see here the price is there. After getting that, I will be getting a prize, and it has shown there 5,000 gram. That makes us much more attractive. Okay, attraction. They are they are just making us interested. Okay, they are just attracting many of the users by this chart. Then 11 to 20th position, 3000 gram. You can't imagine that 3000 gram how much dollar you are going to get. And 1000 gram, we just need 500 gram. Okay, 500 gram itself, it is much more or enough for us. And you can see a 200 gram and 20 gram. You just think any of that will be getting some money. There is rare case, guys, you will be getting 20 gram per account. In your life only one time or two time you will be getting this 20 gram. Otherwise you will be not getting anything. Always you will be getting zero or something else, or you try again something else. Okay, and second thing I will be showing you. Okay, this user level, this is just the way they are showing that it is the real website. Okay, you can see here the videos. Okay, this was most doubtful time. Okay, for me, I will be showing you here. You can see here the videos. Okay, the video, this person video I have seen more than 3 times in this page, and we have to watch video and we will be earning 0.1 gram. Per day you will be getting 3 video per day, then you will be getting 0.3 gram. It is okay for you. You can earn 500 gram within 1 month. It is impossible, guys. And if you put some video over here also, it will be going for review, and your video must be for promotion. Okay, your if you just made a video for promoting this gram free, then also they will not be publishing our video, because those videos are also fake. These videos are already from their side, so they are showing again to us. Only 3 videos or 6 videos I think they are circulating every day, and we cannot put our video on this main thing. And third thing is free option. Okay, the free option is their role. Okay, if I have just one 0.1 gram in this role. Okay, you can see here, sometimes you can see here many of them are getting 0 gram. There one person who has got 10 gram, lucky number 898. It has shown 100 gram. This is the way of attraction, guys. This is not real for you. They are winning sometimes in their life, in life only, per account this much only they will be winning. They have already that set the algorithm in your account. Okay, and you can see here total rolls 3, and I have got my whole balance. You can see here it is up to 6 gram. Wait, 7.2 gram. You can see here 7.2 gram. It is increasing. It does not define that it is real. You are getting the real money. They are just playing with you. You can just see here, I will be showing you the review also. You can see here I will be showing you the legit website also, the real website also, that you can trust. And I will be showing you the example also, that how you have to trust any website. You can see here I requested for withdrawal for the past. They are not giving from 5 weeks. Just count 5 weeks, more than 1 month. Still 100% scam. A fraud website, waste for money, waste for time, not money, waste for time. Your time will be wasted on in this than a year of working this site. Okay, so please stop using from today only. I like this platform. Liking is not the way. How you liked it, you have to explain that. Gram free scam. Okay, still pending the money. This is the way of giving review. Okay, and again someone has from since April 26, 2021, the still it is on pending withdrawal after getting 500 gram. He had got 500 gram by working hard. Then also he haven't got his payment. And you can see here active means it is not the way you can give any review the legit that you have got. My regards to all gram free man. My challenge is that I have not been paid. He has given 5 star and he haven't got paid also 2 days ago. You can see here, and you can see here 1 star. Many of these type of scam review is there. You can see here we will support the guys who work here. What he has told, actually we have to show the proof. Okay, then only we are going to believe on this. And you can see here again another review. We have proved the gram free is scam because the real ton blockchain is being shut down. The gram token cannot be traded because Telegram has nothing in common with gram free. Stay away from gram free. If you want to trade real and legit cryptocurrency, you can trade free demo account. I will be showing you any other option for earning the money online which will be real for you, and I will be showing you the proof also, guys. If you search anywhere in the website that gram free review, I haven't searched fake. Okay, I have just searched gram free review. You will be getting only negative comments on that. Now you can see here this is the Upwork website. It is 100% real, guys. My balance is 0 right now because I had already withdraw my balance. You can see here how I withdraw my balance. I have withdrawn my balance direct to my local bank, and mail is not fake every time. You can see here the bank account number is there and the money exchange rate is there, and I have got my money $39 which is in Nepali rate. You can see here, and I have got in my bank account. It is the real money, guys. And you can see here again some other website. You can see here I have earned $16. Okay, But did you notice one thing? I have earned $39 and they did not told that you have to earn more than 500 or you have to earn more than $100. They haven't told that. They have told that we earn more than $10 is enough for them to transaction. That policy is there. I will be not telling the false statement in this video. So I will be going to the true only. You can see here more than $10 only we can just transaction. $10 is legit. You can earn within a day also. You can see here $10 I have got from my client. They have given me the job and $10 payment. At once only you can earn in one day, in 1 hour only you can earn this $10. And you can see here I will be showing you the proof in Fiverr also how I got this $16. Cause you can see here in my dashboard only one job I have done in this and I have earned $20. Okay, so this is the legit website where you can earn fast and how much you do hard work the much you will be get paid. Okay, now earnings. I have to click on earning, right? Okay, earning is there, then this is there. Okay, I have to click on profile. Sorry, orders. Yeah, in orders you can see perfectly. Completed one. Okay, you can see here $20. At once I have earned $20. Guys, it is not fake, and she has just given me the rating of this 5 star. Okay, only one job, $20. It's enough for you, and 4% it has been cut off from my that because they want some commission. No, then why they will be just using this website? I've just cancelled all the requests because I did not want to do my job at that time. I was busy. This all you can do by yourself only, and you can chat in these messages. I will be giving the link of this both website in my comment section, and at the last of the video the both website link will be available on the video top only. Okay, in the screen we can say that in the screen, and at end you will be getting this both website. Go through that and on real life money. Okay guys, thank you.